Hello and welcome to English Buzzing. Today I have a wonderful pack of students here with me. They want to speak on how we can make India a self-reliant country. So first of all, I want to ask you about your introduction, please.
Okay, well, this is Mirtika studying in class 8 at Oxford.
Okay. Because as you know, we are going to talk about the topic as you know that how can we make India a self-reliant country?
Okay, firstly, we should know what does self-reliant India mean. It simply means to make India economically independent and empowered.
Empowered.
Yeah.
What are the steps that we must take in order to make India a self-reliant country?
I think we should support local and small business by becoming their customers. It stimulates local economies and empowers the individuals to become more self-sufficient.
Okay, so nice for all of you. Thanks for sharing the same with us. Okay, your name, please.
Well, I'm Ira Mushtaq.
Ira.
Yes.
Okay, Ira, what would you like to say regarding the same? How can we make our country a self-reliant country?
According to me, the steps that we must should to take to make India self-reliant is that firstly we should promote education system to everyone, and we should support local industries and local businesses of India.
Okay, you citrus on education.
Yes,
Okay, and any other step you wanna just I miss that take for the same?
yes, of course. That is, we should that we should support our soldiers that protect our country also. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks for sharing the same. Okay, and your name.
I'm Saida Ifat.
So the same question goes to you. How can we make India a
Okay,
self-reliant
First
country?
of all, I would highlight the matter of diversity in our country. The diversities in culture and the diversities in language. You know what? We can utilize these diversities. We can,
Okay.
we can utilize these diversities in many fields. And you know what? I think I should highlight this stuff that we should respect. We should focus on farmers,
Farmers,
farmers
okay.
and soldiers also of our country, because you know what, the soldiers are the maker. No, I would say the protectors
Yeah,
of
they
our
are the
country.
protectors of our nation. They
Yes.
safeguard the borders, is it? And they
And we
safeguard the
must
nation.
respect farmers as I think half of India's population. I would say more than half of
Yeah,
India's
you mean
population.
about farmers?
Yes, is
Yeah,
engaged with
real
agriculture.
backbone. Yeah, farming is the real backbone of our country.
Of course.
So,
So we must respect them, and we must, you know what, try to develop their agriculturalists and try to develop their cultivation and all that. And third thing I would mention is education.
yeah,
Education is very
education. Yeah.
important and imperative. This is the transmogrification for development of a nation, and I think the development of a citizen mostly affect the development of a nation.
Okay. Thanks for sharing the same with us. So I have another one here. So you a good name?
Well, my name is Tanzila.
Okay, Tandila. What would you like to say about the same? How we can make India a self-reliant country?
Well, as a citizen of India, I would like to say that I will encourage and support Indian startups, entrepreneurs, and innovators who are developing cutting edge. And we should use products that will reduce our use on foreign goods.
Foreign use. You mean that we shouldn't spend on foreign products?
Yes.
Okay. What are the steps that we should take next? If you have, please.
We should support Indian industries
Okay.
and education.
And education. Okay. Thanks for sharing your ideas with me. And it was all about today. And see you again in the next video. Thank